Hello friends, this video is all about unboxing Nikon D3400 DSLR camera, and also in this video I will tell you from where you can purchase this camera on a very reasonable price and with 3000 rupees cash back. So guys, first of all I want to share with you the information that from where you can purchase this camera at a very reasonable price. If you check this item on different e-commerce sites like Flipkart, Amazon, Paytm, etc., you will find a very good deal on Paytm. Now I will tell you how. So first of all you have to search Nikon D3400 camera in the search tab, like uh, Nikon D3400. Yes, on the right side you can find the item. So the actual price on the Paytm is 30,700 rupees. So let me tell you how you can apply the promo code. So you have to select cam 3000, and after selecting on the in the orange tab below of your screen you can find the actual price is now 27,700 rupees. So this is how you can avail the offer and you can get this camera at a very reasonable price. So this is how the camera actually looks. You can have a look on the different angles. So guys, now coming to the product, as you can see the packing is quite good. So this box basically consists of a Nikon 3000 D3400 camera, a bag, a strap, rechargeable battery, battery charger, plug adapter, lens cap, rear lens cap, eyepiece, body cap, user manual and warranty card. So let's open the shipment. So this is the bag. So guys, this is the bag provided along with the camera. You can see the quality of the bag is quite good. The material used, there's a small pocket here, one pocket here also, and this is the main pocket to keep your camera. And along with this there's one strap as well, which can be used to hold the camera on your shoulders. And inside as well, if you can see, there's a very good cushion provided over here, the material. So this is the bag. Now let me show you the camera kit. This is the camera kit, and if you can see in the camera kit there's 16. So first of all let me tell you, this pack is a seal pack. This kit is basically a seal pack, and guys, do remember not to accept the product if the seal is already open. So this is the SD card provided along with the camera. This is 16 GB SD card, this one. So we can open from here, and this is basically the tax invoice, or you can see the bill. This is the bill of the camera, the first thing. And this is basically the Nikon own service centers, the list of the service centers in India: Delhi, Gurgaon, Mumbai, Kolkata, Bangalore, and If you want to go for learning the photography, you can have a discount. There is a discount coupon as well inside it. And coming to the next thing is the warranty card provided by the Nikon. So these two are the warranty cards. And coming to the next, this is the user manual. So if you are facing any difficulty while operating the camera or in the functions of it, so you can have a look at the user manual. So this manual basically consists of each and every operation of the camera, how to use it, how to assemble it or how to disassemble it. So this is very beneficial for it. Now coming to the main thing. So this is basically the camera. So guys, this is the camera. And let's open the next thing, which is the lens. In the lens there is a lens cap. This is the lens cap, which can be opened like this and which can be attached back. And this is the rear lens cap. The next thing is the battery charger. So if you can see, here is the battery. So we can directly attach the battery by removing this cap from the battery. You can remove this cap and you can install it like this to charge the battery. The next thing is the strap along with the camera to hold the camera in your hand grip. So in total, these are the things provided by the Nikon along with the camera in the camera kit. So this is the complete set of items in the shipment. For more description of the items and payment link, the Paytm link, don't forget to check the description of the video. Also guys, if you like the video, please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated of my all latest videos. Thank you for watching.